Mark here. I'm the R&D manager here at Eastwood. I want to talk to you about the new mini English wheel that we're launching. So why do you need it? This is your patch panel. Piece of steel here at rest wants to stay in its position that it is, basically this flat surface. We need a contour in it to fit on the vehicle. So you could bend it. You can bend it around a bottle, bend it around your knee, whatever you want to do. Now we have a contour in there. It's close to what we want on the vehicle. We start welding it in. That metal is going to want to revert back to its state of rest, and it's going to start wanting to straighten back up on you like that. What that's going to do is start warping. You've seen it before. Now you're going to end up with rolls in here, contours this way. With a wheel, between the two dies, you're actually going to be stretching the metal and reconfiguring that into exactly the shape that you want. And it'll stay in that shape while you're welding. You're going to have a better patch panel, a better experience doing that, and a nicer outcome. Let me show you a little of the features on this unit. First thing I want to talk about is the frame itself. You can see it's two-piece construction. We have the steel spacers in between here. Now what that does is gives you a lot of rigidity. What you don't want in the wheel is this flexing going like this between it. So we've eliminated that. The other thing we incorporated, basically what we did was we took large wheels and shrunk them down. So another thing we incorporated was the micro adjustable on the lower anvil. You can see you can get nice minute adjustment in this and quick, nice and easy. What's that do for you? It gives you consistent pressure between your panel in here so that you get nice contoured rolls and stretches as you want them. The other thing we did, lower anvils, quick change. Simply comes off here, simply switch the axle into the new lower anvil, put it on and you're ready to go. What this does is it allows you to use the different anvils that we have. We have a 1/2 inch radius, a 1 inch, a 2 inch, and a 3 inch. What that does is it basically gives you enough contour in there that you can form pretty much any panel that you're going to need to for patch panel work. And the last feature, and the one I really like is because I designed this for my own need, is the wheels can index 90 degrees. You can see how we have them here. So I'd be rolling a piece through here. I could roll a piece 4 foot, 5 foot long if I wanted to do a rocker, but also turn them 90 degrees and I could work this way, which gives you the rigidity of the frame here. So I could really get some nice contours off of here, still working off a piece that might be 12 inches long. So the English wheel is just one of a few tools that you're going to need in your metal forming arsenal. It's used in conjunction with other tools to give you that perfect panel fit and fitment. You can see in the video that we did here on the Corvair door patch panel, we used the wheel to get the perfect contour which matched the door. What this does is it makes sure that you got a nice fit up and your welding's going to be perfect in there. We then used in harmony with it our 8-inch bead roller, which gave us the style line and the turn down on the edges there. Don't let the small size fool you. This thing is packed with a lot of big features, just like a large size wheel. Yes, I could fit it in a bench vise. I could take it to a buddy's house. I could throw it under the bench here when I'm not in use with it. But it'll form panels 12-inch wide up to 4 foot long. You could do rockers on this thing. So it's something that's a must-have if you don't have a big shop or a big budget. But it gets you into the right way to do patch panels so that they're going to turn out perfect. If you want to start doing patch panels the right way and truly forming the metal, get yourself an English wheel. If you don't have the big shop space or the budget, this is perfect for you. It's packed with all the features that you need. So if you got any comments or questions on this tool, love to hear about it. Throw them in the comments below. I'll answer them all. If you'd like to see more of our metal fab tools, visit eastwood.com.